Hi, hello there. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. It's a pleasure to have you here as always. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this gorgeous hairstyle that is suited for various occasions. So let's jump right into it. The first thing to do is section the hair from the top of one ear across the top of the head to the other ear. The next step is to section the back portion into 4/4, using a horizontal and a vertical part right through the middle. Now it's time for us to style the hair. I'm going to do a diagonal part which will section that portion into halves, and then I'm going to create a small triangle using another diagonal part. I'm going to tuck that away, and now I'm going to be ready for braiding. So follow me. This is very easy. Just watch carefully. If it's going too fast, you can always slow it down because YouTube has given us that option. And if you need to, you can always rewind. Okay, stay with me. Now that I'm done with that side, I'm going to do the opposite side. I'll be doing the same steps as I did before. I'm done with the left section, and now it's time to move on to the right section, and I'll be repeating the same step. As you watch, you may notice that that's all I'll be doing to create this beautiful hairstyle. Keep watching. It's time to deal with those triangles that I left out in the beginning. I'm going to section all of the triangles using a horizontal part. Section them in half. And what I'm going to do next is cornrow the opposite side at the top and link it to the opposite side at the bottom. So what I'm doing right now, I'm braiding the top right triangle, and I'm going to braid some extra in the middle and bring it across to the bottom left triangle and link it. I'm going to continue my braid right here. So as you can see here, I cornrow the top right and I link it to the bottom left. Now I'm going to do the same. I'm going to cornrow the top left triangle Then I'm going to braid it across a little and link it to the bottom right triangle. I'm going to repeat the same step for the other 3 sets of triangles. Now that the back is almost finished, I'm moving to the front. For the front, I'm just going to braid 1 cornrow down the middle. And then I'm going to do 2 cornrows on each side. I'll be extending it using the Ghana pre-stretch braid just to give it some length. I'm at the back again. This time I'm connecting all the cornrow braids together in each section, creating 1 cornrow. I'm going to go around the head and do the same thing to the other 3 sets. The next step is to cornrow all the loose ends together, all the loose hair and all the loose ends together, making a semi-halo braid, and then I tuck the ends under the braid itself. You can stitch this down, or you can pin it down, or just leave it like I did. I just tucked it away, looping it between the braids. Now what I'm going to do next is add my halo. This was created from a pre-stretched Ghana braid. I think it was the 50 inches. So I'm going to attach it and secure it over my semi-halo. For more security, you can use thread and needle to attach it. Oh, I added some colorful beads to the end of those braids to give it that oomph. And this is the end of our hairstyle. It's quite beautiful. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this hairstyle. Will you try it? And where would you wear this hairstyle to? What do you think of it? Thanks again for watching. It's always a pleasure. As I always say, it's always a pleasure to have you on my channel. Thank you.